we shouldn't be alone. So why is everything silent? What if I told you that the scariest thing about the universe is not what's out there, but what isn't? Right now, as you're watching this, you are sitting on a small rock, floating in an endless ocean of stars. There are billions of galaxies. Each galaxy has billions of stars, and around those stars are planets, trillions of them. Some of those planets are older than Earth, much older, which means if life can exist here, it should have had billions of years to exist somewhere else, to grow, to evolve, to become intelligent, to become powerful. So let's ask the question again, slowly this time. Where is everyone? This is called the Fermi paradox. And once you understand it, you can't unsee it. Because this isn't just a question, it's a problem, a terrifying one. By every logical calculation, the universe should be full of life, advanced life, civilizations far beyond us. They should have built massive structures around stars. They should have colonized entire galaxies. They should have left signals everywhere. And yet, when we look up, we see nothing, no ships, no messages, no signs, just silence. Not the peaceful kind of silence, but the kind that feels wrong, the kind that makes you feel like you're not supposed to notice it. For decades, scientists have been listening, pointing massive radio telescopes into space, waiting, hoping for a signal, a pattern, a voice. But all we hear is static. And the longer that silence continues, the more unsettling it becomes. Because there are only a few possible explanations, and every single one of them is disturbing. First possibility, we are alone. Not just alone in our galaxy, alone in the entire universe. Think about that. All those stars, all those planets, all that space, empty. No civilizations, no alien worlds, no one else thinking, feeling, wondering. Just us. A random accident, a cosmic mistake. And when we disappear, there will be no one left to even know we existed. No memories, no history, just silence. Again, second possibility, we are not alone. Life does appear over and over again, but something happens every time, something that stops it completely before it can spread, before it can be noticed. Scientists call this the Great Filter, a barrier in the timeline of every civilization, a moment they cannot survive. It could be self-destruction, war, environmental collapse, technology gone wrong, or something we haven't even imagined yet. And here's where it gets truly terrifying. We don't know if the Great Filter is behind us or ahead of us. If it's behind us, we are incredibly lucky. But if it's ahead of us, then it means one thing. Every advanced civilization eventually reaches a point where it ends itself, without exception. Third possibility, they exist. They're out there, but they are so advanced, we simply cannot see them. To them, we are nothing, like insects. And you don't explain yourself to insects. You don't announce your presence. You observe. Quietly, you watch them grow. You watch them struggle. You watch them destroy themselves. And only if necessary, you interfere. So what if they're already here? Not in the sky, not in spaceships, but around us, hidden, watching, waiting. Fourth possibility, the universe is not silent because it's empty. It's silent because it's dangerous. Imagine a dark forest at night. Every creature is hiding. No one makes a sound. Because if you do, something else will hear you, and it might kill you. This is the dark forest theory. Every civilization knows others exist, but no one knows who is friendlies and who is not. So everyone stays quiet. Because the moment you reveal your location, you risk everything. Instant destruction. No warning, no negotiation. Now think about this. Humans have been broadcasting signals into space for decades. We have been shouting into that dark forest, telling the universe exactly where we are, who we are, what we sound like. What if something heard us? What if that silence isn't empty at all? What if it's listening? Last possibility. We are being protected, observed by something far more advanced, like animals in a zoo. We live our lives, completely unaware that we're being watched, studied, contained. And there is a rule. Do not interfere until the animals become dangerous. So where does that leave us? Alone, doomed, observed, hunted? We don't know. And that's what makes this so terrifying, because the universe is incredibly old, incredibly vast, and yet it is completely silent, too silent. And in a place this big, silence is not normal. Silence means something happened, or something is waiting. So tonight, when you look up at the stars, don't just wonder what's out there. Ask yourself something else. Why is it so quiet? And more importantly, who is staying quiet on purpose?